here is the thing. Before I put the top on, when we can't really see inside anymore, I'd like to give a little tour. It's 2 gas tanks with the top and the bottom cut off, but there's also another 2 on the inside, which I reduced in dimension a little bit. Whoa, check out that stuff. What the fuck? What is that? Whoa. Fire goes in here, hot air goes up, hits the side, goes down here because the outside is colder than the inside, and sucks out through here. And so in there you can just see the back end of the other pipe there, or the inner pipe.
Come on, mate. We are leaving.
Leaving?
But I come back, motherfuckers.
Yeah. Initial test not looking super good. The smoke is coming out the wrong place. This is not right at all. I mean, it certainly looks like a rocket stove, but it's coming out the wrong end. So a couple of reasons why I think this might be. One is that this is too long, and it's creating the chimney effect. Another thing is that this pipe is bigger than the exit pipe over there. Could be a really important issue. If I cut this shorter, like here, so it doesn't get to create a draft, I put the lid on and make sure this side gets a bit of height, then maybe it's gonna work. Okay, so made a few adjustments. Whoa, yeah, when you blow in it shoots out the entrance. We cut the chimney a bit shorter, and we made the chimney. Wait, no, it's not. It wasn't meant to be a chimney. We cut the entrance a bit shorter and made the chimney long, and it works. It's not a rocket stove because it doesn't really feel like a rocket, but it's just a stove.
It's just a stove.
Yeah. Let me check this. Is it that hot? Oh yeah, it's just evaporating instantly. What do you think, Melissa?
I love it.
So it seems like it's working pretty good. The first few minutes were a bit smoky, but wasn't really a problem. The room is not smoky. Got some ginger tea. It's a bit smoky in here because it tends to work better when this is covered. It blows. It's like now it's only sucking in here, and you can tell as soon as I take this away, flames get slower.